Are you ready to flip your smartphone experience? Let's unveil the OPPO Find N3 Flip. Hello and welcome, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. OPPO is introducing a new smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with beautiful aesthetics. The Find N3 Flip isn't just another smartphone, it's an experience. Whether you are a tech-savvy user or someone who just wants a convenient and beautiful device, OPPO Find N3 Flip has something for everyone. Let's dive right into what makes this smartphone extraordinary. First things first. Let's talk about the unique design of OPPO Find N3 Flip. Design isn't just about looks, it's about how the device feels in your hands, how intuitive it is to use, and how it enhances your daily life. And the first thing you notice is a camera setup. Well, it shouldn't be a big surprise knowing that OPPO is one of the leaders in mobile photography. Also, worth mentioning that it is the first time the Flip smartphone has 3 cameras. The second obvious thing is the cover screen. It is definitely bigger than the previous generation of OPPO's Flip phones. It is a 3.26-inch display with a 17:9 ratio. To put it simply, imagine a widescreen experience packed right into your pocket. The intuitive cover screen with an industry-first vertical layout ensures a seamless transition from the main screen to the cover screen. And let's not forget about those ultra-thin bezels. They are the thinnest in the industry. Details like this set the Find N3 Flip apart from any other foldable smartphone. As you can see, every design element serves a purpose, either enhancing functionality, aesthetics, or both. This phone isn't just built, it's crafted. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Find N3 Flip packs a punch in terms of features. Let's explore. Functional features. Design and aesthetics are crucial, but what really makes the smartphone indispensable is its functionality. The Find N3 Flip is packed with features that are not just innovative, but highly practical. First up is the 3D curve. The Find N3 Flip boasts a super arc tempered glass cover on both sides. This isn't just for show, it's engineered to give the pupil a smoothness while keeping the body slim. One of the most practical features you'll find is the alert slider. Just slide it to switch between silent, vibrate, and ring modes. And what about the glass material? Well, the battery cover is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. What if your phone was an extension of your personality? Let's explore how the OPPO Find N3 Flip makes this possible. So far, we've talked about the design and aesthetics of the phone. Now let's dive into what really personalizes your OPPO Find N3 Flip experience. The customizable cover screen. Customizing it is a breeze with just a few taps, with innovative features like interactive pads, live weather wallpapers, and intuitive widgets. This is more than just a screen, it's your personal statement. Imagine having an interactive pet right at your fingertips. The Find N3 Flip gives you this whimsical experience. Choose from 5 sets of adorable pet wallpapers, ranging from dogs and birds to hamsters, rabbits, and cats. But that's not all. Each set contains 20 unique animations. The pets aren't just cute, they're fully interactive. Tap on them and they react. These pets also sync with system functions like the time, battery, phone calls, and even the weather. Speaking of weather, Find N3 Flip offers live weather wallpapers. You can now get real-time weather updates right on your cover screen, eliminating the need to open additional apps or widgets. And what's even better is that the Find N3 Flip allows you to customize widgets for quick and easy access to frequently used apps like the weather and the camera. All of this information is right at your fingertips. Another advantage of having a full-screen ambient display is that you can use the AOD always on display feature on it too. With Find N3 Flip, you could have GIF wallpapers looped on your cover screen. You can even create your own GIFs right in the album, staying connected without even flipping open your phone. The quick reply feature supports speech to text in multiple languages, preset replies, and even emojis. It's actually one of my favorite features, replying to a quick message without getting distracted from what you're doing. Ordering food or booking a ride, no need to keep checking your phone. When you fold it, the cover screen keeps you updated in real time. Now let's dive deeper into what truly sets the N3 Flip apart its revolutionary camera. As I've mentioned before, the camera setup consists of 3 cameras. The main one is a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with optical image stabilization for steady photo and video taking. Next up, our 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera that uses Sony's IMX581 sensor, capturing scenes at an ultra-wide 114 degrees. It's great for those expensive landscapes or group photos. And for the perfect portrait, 32 megapixel portrait camera employs Sony's IMX709 sensor with 2 times optical zoom, optimized to a golden focal length close to 50 millimeters. This focal length reduces facial distortion and brings characters to the forefront in the most natural way. The portrait camera leveraged the IMX709 camera to recreate the kind of bokeh effect you'd only expect from Hasselblad XCD65 lenses. With AI portrait retouching, you get personalized skin smoothing and facial contouring based on factors like scene brightness, age, and even gender. Last but not least, the 13-channel multispectral sensor. This self-developed algorithm improves white balance accuracy by 12%, especially in challenging indoor scenes. Now let's put this into perspective. Find N3 Flip's closest competitors like Z Flip 5 and Vivo don't even come close in terms of camera specifications. Finally, what's an OPPO Find N3 Flip without its Hasselblad partnership? Experience natural and accurate colors with Hasselblad natural color calibration and capture vintage style photos with expand mode. So in summary, with OPPO Find N3 Flip's camera system with Hasselblad partnership, you're not just capturing moments, you're capturing masterpieces. The heart of any phone is its performance, and the OPPO N3 Flip is no exception. At the heart of the OPPO Find N3 Flip is the MediaTek Dimensity 9200, manufactured using TSMC's second generation 4nm process. It's all about incredible performance while maintaining intelligent power consumption. If you've got heavy multitasking needs, the N3 Flip got you covered. It comes with 12 GB of RAM, and just for comparison, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 only supports 8 GB. And what's performance without proper cooling? First, largest and thickest graphite layer, 4815 square millimeter in area. This is the largest and thickest graphite layer in flip phones, significantly optimizing heat dissipation. Second, flexible cross-hinge graphite. Added in the hinge area, it links up the heat transfer paths of the upper and lower graphite layers, improving heat dissipation. 3. High-performance conductive gel. This gel established an efficiency through the heat dissipation path for faster CPU heat conduction. 4. Middle frame partition technology. Partitioning the middle frame of the top and bottom areas optimizes temperature perception when holding the phone, particularly useful in landscape mode during gaming sessions. So whether you're gaming, multitasking, or pushing your phone to its limits, the OPPO Find N3 Flip ensures that you do it smoothly and efficiently. I've spoken at length about the unbeatable camera system of the OPPO Find N3 Flip smartphone. Now let's talk about something that complements that, a powerhouse of a battery. Trust me, you're going to love this. Get ready for this. A 4300 mAh battery. According to OPPO Labs, it is the most robust battery in any flip phone to date. On a single charge, you can get through your entire day without worrying about running out of juice. Now let's talk about charging. OPPO has always been at the forefront of fast charging tech, and the Find N3 Flip is no exception. With 44-watt SuperVOOC flash charge, you can hit 21% in just 10 minutes, get to 58% in half an hour, and a full charge in just under an hour in 56 minutes. Now that's what I call convenience. First up, this gorgeous AMOLED display is 6.8 inches and supports adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz. This ensures a smooth visual experience whether you're scrolling through your Instagram feed or watching a high frame rate video. In our digital age, eye comfort is paramount, and OPPO ensures you're taken care of. The OPPO Find N3 Flip is the first flip phone to pass the TÜV Rheinland Intelligent Eye Care certification. It features industry-first comfort tone technology and native tone display with high-frequency PWM dimming, making it ideal for long hours of usage. 1440 Hz PWM dimming, comfort tone and bedtime mode These three features help to keep your eyes more comfortable and have less fatigue. I personally don't recommend staring at your screen for extended periods of time, but it is good to know that Oppo is putting a thought in case you still do. Part 9. Super Signal. We've covered performance, battery life and overall reliability. But what about staying connected? Oppo Find N3 Flip gives you robust connectivity options that make sure you're never out of touch. The antenna adopts a unique distributed and diagonal layout. Whether it's on the top or the side, the antenna can automatically switch according to how you hold the phone. This eliminates any signal sheltering, making sure you're always reachable, unlike the Samsung Z Flip 3, which compromised signal strength due to its antenna placement. Talk about leading the industry. Find N3 Flip brings you the industry's first NFC folding free swipe. Thanks to new 3 antenna layout, you can swipe freely at a 360-degree angle when the phone is folded. This stands in stark contrast to the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which has limited NFC capabilities. With Oppo N3 Flip, you're truly unrestricted. Last but not least, N3 Flip has a dual SIM, dual 5G feature that allows for a combination of physical SIM card and an eSIM. Part 10. WaterDrop Hinge. Welcome to the last but not least part where we are going to dive into the revolutionary WaterDrop Hinge technology featured in the Oppo Find N3 Flip. This is not just any hinge, it's the industry leader in smoothness and durability, making the opening and closing of your device absolutely effortless. Now, let's talk about stability. Remember the single friction plate from the previous model? Well, Oppo has stepped it up. The Find N3 Flip now comes with dual friction plates to enhance what we call FlexForm stability. This ensures that your device stays exactly where you want it to, without any wobble. Next up is reliability. We're talking about aircraft-grade, high-strength steels used in critical load-bearing areas of the hinge. This ups the ante on the hinge resilience, making it 25% more resistant to deformation if you happen to drop your device. And here's a cherry on top. Oppo's hinge technology has earned the TÜV Rheinland Reliable Folding certification. What does that mean for you? Not only can this hinge endure a staggering 600,000 folds, but it also minimizes those unsightly creases on your screen. In the world of foldable phones, the Oppo Find N3 Flip doesn't just fit in, it leads. So there you have it, a hinge designed to support up to a decade of regular use, setting new benchmarks for both stability and reliability. It doesn't get any better than this in foldable technology. In our journeys through technology, every so often a device comes along that redefines our expectations. The Oppo Find N3 Flip is that device. It isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement, a symbol of where the future of mobile technology is headed. With its exquisite design and unmatched hinge mechanism and unparalleled camera prowess, it stands as a testament to Oppo's vision of the future. A future that's not years away, but right here, right now, in our hands. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.
Ice in my veins.